Hello, I'm Mayor Lori Lightfoot.
And I'm First Lady Amy Eshelman.
Enjoying food, music, and the arts in Grant Park is a Chicago summertime tradition. Unfortunately, while we've had to cancel many of our beloved annual events due to COVID-19, we will be coming together online this summer with Taste of Chicago to Go.
This is an engaging new series of virtual events presented by Chicago's Department of Cultural Affairs and Special Events. Thanks to them, we're continuing to support our city's world-class restaurant industry.
Taste of Chicago to Go expands upon DCASE's Community Eats program, supporting about 24 neighborhood restaurants and food trucks, while providing free meals to nonprofit organizations serving healthcare and other frontline workers. DCASE is promoting Taste of Chicago eateries online, and they've organized a series of virtual cooking demos by local chefs.
For the complete Taste of Chicago to Go schedule and more, please visit the Taste of Chicago website at tasteofchicago.us.
And please, be well and be safe, Chicago.
Hola amigos, how we doing? Welcome to Taste of Chicago to Go. My name is Carlos Gaitan. I'm the chef owner of Suco. Suco is a modern Mexican restaurant. It's located here in 720 North State Street. Please come by and visit us. Today we're gonna do a live cooking demo for you guys, and we got prepared a flatbread with avocado. I love avocados. I think avocados is my favorite ingredient. And it's very easy to do. So basically what you wanna have is just a pita bread, avocados, basil, ricotta cheese, preserved lemons. I do my own preserved lemons. I mean, you can get it in any store probably. And let me show you how to do it. And remember, the recipes are in the Taste of Chicago website. So please follow and get the recipe from there. Well, first step, we're gonna incorporate ricotta cheese in a bowl. Okay, so let's start with the basil. Fresh basil, I love fresh basil. It's just the aromas, unbelievable. Okay, so what you wanna do, Julian, when you do the basil, just do one time, don't chop it up. Why? Because it has a lot of oils that you wanna save, and you don't wanna incorporate those oils into your cutting board. Very important, okay? So you have your fresh basil, put it right inside of the cheese. We're gonna add some peppercorn, little touch of salt, and we're gonna mix it. Look. Very simple and very quickly. All right. Now next step, what we're gonna do, avocados. A very easy way to peel avocados. You wanna cut it in half. Separate. This is how you get the seed out. All right? And we're gonna use another spoon to scoop it up. Put it upside down. All right, you see how easy it is? Very good. Now, let me show you how to slice a very thin avocado. It takes skills to do that. It's not just a slice, you know, and having the avocado very thin slice is gonna help you to present the dish very beautiful. So what you wanna do, basically, gonna put this in here so you can see it very well. The knife, it has to be up here, and just this way. Can you see how thin the avocado can be? right there. I'll show you one more time with this one. Because you do a different way. Normally avocado is gonna stick to your knife and it's gonna be a big mess. It's gonna be difficult. All right, now what we're gonna do, very careful, we're gonna spread the avocado this way. Look at that. Look at that. You see how you spread the avocado? It looks beautiful. All right. Next thing that we're gonna do, we are going to put the cheese on top of the flatbread. You don't wanna go too much, probably just a little bit too much. This is gonna be enough. So give it space, do not put everything around, only in the middle. This way you give, a space so you can hold the flatbread. I'm gonna put it right on top, this way, using your knife. And same thing with the other one, right on top. Right there. And guess what? Preserved lemons. I love preserved lemons. And I do my own preserved lemons. But the only thing I use is just the skin. Normally I preserve for 3 to 6 months. Let it cure in olive oil. And using the skin is amazing flavors. This is how you do it. Very good. You're gonna spread it right on top. Okay. Very nice. Salt. Little salt. A little bit more pepper. You gotta make sure that the avocados are marinated very well. Serrano peppers. It's gonna be really fresh. It's gonna give that kick to it. Crispiness as well, when you bite to it. So just a few slices. This is optional. If you don't like spicy, you don't have to put this. You have to put whatever you like, okay, on top. Very nice. Carefully. Look at that. And we got some cilantro that we want to use. Right here. You can chop it up or you can just put it as a garnish on top. Normally I like to put it as a garnish right on top. When you bite to it, it's better. You preserve all the flavors and the cilantro when it's whole like that. Now it's time for us to cut it. Very careful. Using the knife, one side to the other. Very good. Put it on the plate. You just got it. Turn it around. That's it. Look at this. Amazing, isn't it? Let me try it. Amazing. Really fresh. I love the flavors of the avocado. I mean, it's something that you can utilize summertime, even for breakfast. And don't forget, flatbreads are very important. You can use pita bread. Obviously, you can find pita bread everywhere in the stores. And make sure it's crispy. Have to get crispy. I have a wood oven. It incorporates a lot of smokiness to it. It's amazing. But you can just do it in your regular oven. Heat up your oven at 350 degrees. And make sure when it's hot is when you put your flatbread. You want to incorporate olive oil to it, that's fine. And let it make sure that it stays there for about 5 minutes and to get really crunchy. So you have to make sure, crunchiness is incorporate texture to your dish and make it very amazing. Well, thank you. And don't forget, we located 720 North State Street. Come see us. We have plenty sitting outdoor. The patio is amazing. The bar is going to be renovated very soon. In a couple of days it should be done. And then please, join us. Por favor, visítanos. No se olviden, estamos en el 720 North State Street. Y vengan a disfrutar. Tenemos un patio increíble, una barra que estamos abriendo ya enfrente de nuestro restaurante también, que estará lista ya en unos cuantos días. Así es que vengan a disfrutar. Cócteles, tenemos una sangría increíble, la comida fenomenal. Los esperamos.